Welcome to Second Life Upcycling. In this easy sewing tutorial, I'll show you how you can upcycle a pair of kids' denim shorts into 4 compact shoulder bags with handy built-in pockets, perfect for your mobile phone and other essentials. They're great for times when you don't want to carry a big handbag. A friend gave me these brand new kids' shorts that they'd bought for their child, but they didn't fit. As soon as I saw them, I thought the shorts would be perfect to upcycle into several small shoulder bags. The pockets are the perfect size for a mobile phone with enough space inside for other essentials. The first step was to cut the shorts into 4 separate pieces, 2 front pieces and 2 back pieces, cutting off any seams. The next step is to fold them in half and cut down each side so each piece is equal in width. By folding them in half, you don't have to sew a bottom seam, which makes the process faster and the bags look neater. To keep this project simple, quick and beginner friendly, I haven't bothered with zips or lining. Of course, they could be added quite easily. Next, I decided what shoulder straps I'm going to add to each bag. When upcycling, I make a conscious effort not to buy anything new and only use what I've already got on hand. I decided to use the straps from another shoulder bag I've already got. These can be simply unclipped and attached to different bags. For another, I decided to make a strap from the animal fabric I cut from the hem of a second-hand trench coat I recently altered to fit. If you're interested, the video of this project is on my channel. And finally, I found some old dog leads in a council pickup recently and will recycle one of these into a strap for the final bag. The next step is to sew the side seams of each of the pieces and then neaten the top hems. I simply turned the top of the fabric over and sewed it in place. Now it's on to attaching the straps. The first option is the easiest. I simply created a long strap and sewed it to the inner sides of the bag. For the second option, also very easy, I used 2 belt loops from the original waistband and sewed these to the inner top of the bag at the sides, so the loops were sticking upwards. I can now attach the shoulder strap I took from another bag and attach it to the loops. And finally, for the third option, I followed the same process as the second option, attaching 2 belt loops from the waistband. Then I added a spacer to the loops. For this project, I didn't have a proper bag spacer. I'm not sure of the proper technical term, so used 2 key rings as a temporary solution. Then I added the dog lead, which I had cut to the right length and sewed a loop at each end. This is then attached to the key rings. And finally, I added some closures. For one bag, I used a simple press stud. For the second, I sewed a button onto the outside of the pocket and then a ribbon tie which loops over the button to keep the bag closed. I didn't add a closer to the third, smaller bag as it's only big enough for a mobile phone and I didn't think it needed a closer. And here they are finished. For a few hours' work, I have given 2 bags to my friend who gave me the shorts, and will keep 1 for myself and give the 4th to another friend. Thanks for watching. I hope I've inspired you to transform an old pair of shorts you're no longer wearing. If you'd like to see more upcycling projects like this one, please throw me a thumbs up. It really helps. I upload clothes upcycling tutorials weekly, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss an update. See you next time.